what a treasure, what a treasure. I was thinking as I was here, oh, but I wish we could hold our events in a place where Jesus himself appeared. Oh, what a treasure. And the fact that the Emmanuel community, as I understand it, has been entrusted with the care of this place. It's a tremendous grace that Jesus back then appeared to St. Margaret Mary and gave a message for the world. And it's a tremendous grace that the Emmanuel community can hold these sessions for evangelization, so that not only their message, the message of Emmanuel, but the message of Jesus himself in his Sacred Heart, because it shows us what's really important, that it's not about laws, it's not about rules and regulations, it's about the love of Jesus, which is unconditional for us, but that really invites a response, that Jesus, in his human heart, in his Sacred Heart, is moved by our love. He's moved by our prayer. He's moved by our acts of reverence. This is something that helps us realize God is not far away. He's very close, and that he wants to be loved the way he loves us, which is really passionately, tenderly, with all of our being. God's love for us is so much different from human love. We love people because they're beautiful, they're attractive, they're good to us, they're kind. But God, the scripture says, God loved us while we were yet sinners. And so God's love for us is a totally gratuitous. So it's a treasure. I was thrilled to come back here to Paray-le-Monial, thrilled. And also to discover not only the effusion of the Spirit, but also to discover this great grace of adoration. My effusion of the Spirit took place in the presence of Jesus. It wasn't in the monstrance, but in the tabernacle. And I think there was a big message for the world in this, that it was as I knelt and as we knelt in front of Jesus incarnate in the tabernacle, that he poured out his Spirit as by a new Pentecost.